Hello everyone, I'm your science educator Akanksha. So this is my new YouTube channel where I'll be teaching you all content related to science and will try to enhance your knowledge, hoping best for each other. So let's start this new journey. So today's topic for the class is parts of a flower. In this video, we'll try to understand what is a flower, its functions, its usage, and its parts. So let's get started. So first topic is parts of a flower. Today's roadmap for the video is first we'll understand the part of a flower. What are the parts of a flower? How they help us, their function, and towards the end of this video, we'll be able to label the parts of a flower and we'll be able to explain the importance of it. So now first let's start this video on some nicer note. So you know that the petals are the petals which are the most colorful and the showy part of a flower are actually modified leaves. Means they are generated, they are formed from leaves only. And their function is to attract the pollinators. What are pollinators? Pollinators are those agents which help in pollination. So they try to attract them so that the pollination process can happen. Now, what is a flower? So, flower is a reproductive structure. ये क्या है? ये एक हमारा reproductive structure है. Reproductive structure is the that part of a flower which helps the plant to continue its generation and it helps in pollination. ये हमें pollination में मदद करेगा. ये हमें sexual reproduction में help करेगा. So in age there you know that there are two types of reproduction. One is sexual reproduction and another one is asexual reproduction. So in asexual reproduction, you do not require flower, whereas in sexual reproduction, you require flower. So, and now flower consists of two parts. One is the vegetative part and other one is the reproductive part. So in this video, we'll cover both the vegetative and the reproductive part. First, and let's understand what is the vegetative part of the part. Vegetative part of the flower includes the sepals. इसमें हमारे पास sepals आता है, petals आता है. Now, what are the function of sepals and petals? Sepals are the green and the outermost leaf-like structures. जैसे आप इस picture में देख सकते हैं. This is the sepal. So, sepal is the green part of the flower. Okay, and it protects the bud when the flower is in the budding stage, when it's just about to bloom. So the sepals protect the flower, protect the bud from external damage. And then the petals are the, see, this is your petals. Petals is the colorful part which attracts the pollinators so that they can come and help in the process of pollination. So first of all, I hope you will must be knowing what is pollination. So pollination is a process where, let me show you in the another picture. So yes. So in this picture, you can see this is your anther. Is anther is this is the male reproductive part. Is anther के अंदर होते हैं pollens. So these pollens are the yellowish substances. So when the pollinators like birds, bees, when they come and sit on this flower, so this is anther. So this anther burst opens and the pollens are released. So these pollens get attracted or attached to the bodies of birds and bees, and then the body sit on this stigma. मतलब वो यहाँ आके बैठ जाते हैं and the pollens which are attached to the bird's body is transferred to the stigma. वो stigma पे land कर जाता है यहाँ पे जैसे pollen land कर गया and this pollen then germinate and reaches till hair and fertilizes the egg and reproduction happens. This will I'll explain you in another video in much more detail. So just telling you what is the pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from anther to the it is the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of the female reproductive part. ठीक है इसको हम pollination बोलते हैं. Also, there is a different kind of pollination and pollinators. For that also, I'll bring one another separate video. So, this is the vegetative part, the sepals and the petals. Petals का function है to attract the pollinators and sepals function is to protect the flower in the bud stage. Now we will study the female reproductive part of the flower, which is very important. जैसे हमने reproductive part को भी, flower के reproductive part को भी, we have divided into two category. This female reproductive part को we have divided into two category. First is the female one, and second is the male one. So in this video, we'll first discuss the female and then the male. तो फीमेल पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द पिस्टल. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये पूरा स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है, इसमें मेल और फीमेल दोनों इंक्लूडेड है. ये वाला स्पेसिफिकली फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है. फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट का जो नाम है इसको हम पिस्टल कहते हैं. ठीक है, ये पिस्टल है. पिस्टल इज लोकेटेड इन द सेंटर ऑफ द फ्लावर. आप देखेंगे व्हेन यू विल सी अ फ्लावर, इट इज यूजुअली इन द सेंटर ऑफ द फ्लावर. इट हैज थ्री पार्ट्स. दिस इज द स्टिग्मा, द स्टाइल एंड द ओवरी. इस इनसाइड द ओवरी देयर इज ओव्यूल. आप ये जो ओवरी है, इस ओवरी के अंदर आपको क्या मिलेगा? ओव्यूल्स मिलेंगे. ठीक है, ये जो ओव्यूल्स है, और इस ओव्यूल्स का दूसरा नेम इज ऑल्सो यू कैन कॉल इट एज एग. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों प्रेजेंट होते हैं. तो स्टिग्मा इज द स्टिकी नॉब एट द टॉप ऑफ द पिस्टल. जो ये पिस्टल है, इसका ये जो अपर वाला पार्ट है, इसको हम स्टिग्मा बोलते हैं. दिस इज द स्टिकी पार्ट. यहाँ पे जो होता है, ये स्टिकी पोर्शन होता है, चिपचिपा होता है, सो दैट द पोलन्स कैन अटैच इटसेल्फ. राइट, एंड दिस इज द लॉन्ग ट्यूब. ये जो लॉन्ग लंबी सी ट्यूब है, इसको हम स्टाइल बोलते हैं. देन दिस इज योर ओवरी. ये वाला जो पोर्शन है, ये ओवरी होता है. इसके अंदर आपके क्या मिलेंगे? आपको एग्स एंड ओव्यूल्स मिलेंगे, and both are the same name for one thing, right? So this is a female reproductive part. Now we'll come to male reproductive part. So I'll show you. This is the anther. इसके अंदर present होते हैं हमारे pollens, right? And this is the long stalk-like structure called filament. तो ये जब wind आता है तो it moves, right? And when this anther जब mature हो जाता है, then this anther burst. ये burst करता है, burst opens, ये release, and then it releases pollens, right? And this pollen is the male. In this, it's there is present male gamete. ये जो पोलन होता है, ये मेल गेमीट होता है. दिस इज येलो इन कलर. ये किस कलर का होता है? ये येलो कलर का होता है. सॉरी फॉर माय हैंडराइटिंग. आई ट्राई टू बेटर इट बाय द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So this is your the male and the female reproductive part. Now in this video, let's try to label this. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, and let's try to label. सबसे पहले this is the part. This is what is it is. ये female reproductive part का कौन सा part है? This is stigma. This is what? This is stigma. Then this is this part is the long stalk-like structure which connects the stigma to the. Which part is this? Ovary. और ये वाला जो long stalk है, this is this style. Is this style? Then this is ovary. इसको हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे ovary. This and ovary contains what? Egg, or you can say ovule. ठीक है? Now this is your vegetative part. ठीक है, इस वेजिटेटिव पार्ट का नाम जो है वो है पेटल. ये आपके पेटल है, कलरफुल पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर विच अट्रैक्ट्स द पॉलिनेटर्स. एंड दिस इज योर मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट का मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट कॉल्ड एंथर. एंड दिस इज योर स्टॉक विच अटैचेस विद द एंथर कॉल्ड फिलामेंट. इसको हम कहते हैं फिलामेंट. ये जो एंथर को होल्ड करके रखने में हेल्प करता है. So this is the whole part of flower containing vegetative as well as reproductive. ठीक है, अब इस वीडियो में हम और क्लियरली देख लेते हैं. The female reproductive part contains stigma, style, ovary, and ovary contains ovule, or you can name it as egg too. ठीक है, and the male reproductive part contains anther and filament. एंथर एंड फिलामेंट, इसको कलेक्टिवली हम स्टेमेन नाम देते हैं. तो स्टेमेन इज द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट. इट्स अ मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट, राइट? इसको हम बोलते हैं मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट, राइट? एंड दिस इज योर पिस्टल. ये पूरा वाला जो पोर्शन है, दिस इज योर फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट. इसको हम बोलेंगे फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव, राइट? और जो हमारा ये पेटल है which attracts pollination, and this part is your sepal. ये है sepal. So petal and sepal both are the vegetative part of the plant. So this is for the video. Thank you. I hope I'll able to make you understand this concept clearly. In the next video, I'll bring pollination and its type, and then the whole how the reproduction happens and in flower. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.